In this question, we are having integration of x cube plus 5x square minus 4 upon x square dx. Now to this question, what we can write it? We can write it integration of x cube upon x square dx plus integration of 5x square upon x square dx minus integration of 4 upon x square dx. Now this will become integration of x dx plus 5 integration of dx minus 4 integration of x raised to power minus 2 dx. Now this becomes x square upon 2 plus 5x minus 4x raised to power minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c. And finally x square upon 2 plus 5x plus 4 upon x plus c. This is the answer.